I had my first question this week from one of my own clients who was considering becoming an Uber driver. His question was, is my own insurance going to cover me, when I'm driving my car for Uber? Now, this is kind of like a gray area because if you have passengers in your car and you're clearly using your vehicle for business use, then probably your personal auto insurance is not going to cover you. Now, if you're in between fares and you're, driving from one part of town to another to pick somebody up, your personal insurance could cover you in that case because, you could say, hey, I'm using my car at that particular moment for personal use. But you need to ask Uber or Lyft or any of the other ride-sharing companies, you need to ask them very, pointed questions. I would get it in writing if I were you. What happens if I'm in an accident and my own vehicle is damaged? Are you guys going to cover that if my insurance company denies coverage because I'm using the vehicle for business? My understanding is that Uber and Lyft and those guys have really high liability limits. If you're in an accident and you have a passenger in your car and say somebody's hurt or you damage somebody else's property. But are they going to cover your vehicle? That's what you need to ask them. Now, you can always get a commercial auto policy that will cover you. Unfortunately, when you're, using your vehicle to move people like a taxi service, insurance can be expensive. But you should look at maybe getting a commercial policy because then you would absolutely be covered. And you should make sure that the ride-sharing companies clearly state to you what they're going to be covering, especially related to your own vehicle. If you have any questions, give me a call or send me an email or subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be happy to answer your questions in a future video. Thank you.